Racing just is started with Bay Area Bay break quickly at the start. Blooming Treat is down on the inside. Leonora's best. Dream Minstrel is on the outside. Genius Rose. Princesita Erin. Princess Angelica comes next. Star Quality while Supervise is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Blooming Treat by about 4 lengths. Bay Area Baby in second. 2 lengths further back in third. On the outside is Leonora's best. Then on the inside is Dream Minstrel. Then next on line is Princesita Erin. Princess Angelica comes next. Star Quality. Genius Rose second last while Supervise is still racing in last. Back to the leader. We have Blooming Treat maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Bay Area Babe now trying to get closer in second. Leonora's best in third. Down in fourth is Dream Minstrel. Then followed by Princess Angelica. Princesita Erin, Genius Rose is on the outside. Star Quality, while Supervise still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Blooming Treat, Bay Area Babe, Leonora's best is on the outside as they swing for home. We have Blooming Treat by a length and a half. Leonora's best is on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Blooming Treat followed by Leonora's best, and finally it's Blooming Treat, Leonora's best. Then comes Princess Angelica, Genius Rose, and Bay Area Babe for your Pentapecta.
14683, or rather 1